Josh, I'm always the one fucking taking the stunts, dude. What you got to say for yourself?
You always think I ain't doing stunts, man.
Let's see your fucking
Just give me enough alcohol, dude. I'll
Like off that fucking
anything, dog.
This trash can right here on top of the fucking head. Wait.
Hurry up, dog.
Alright.
Incorrect. Ready?
Alright, go. I'm ready.
Oh, God! Oh, my God.
He's not down, dude. He needs another one. He's not down yet. Other side.
What the heck?
Here we go. Get it hard, dude. He wasn't down, dude. Get him harder. Oh! Yeah!
Oh, my God! You break it! You break it!
Tom's laughing, though. Let me see it.
Oh, my God.
Let me see your head. Stop. Stay still, dude. No, take your head off, dude.
My
Stay
God.
fucking... Where did he get you at? Point it out.
He's like, I don't know, dude.
Nice job, dude.
Now I'm drunker.
What the hell?
Yeah! Nice job, Cody. Good aiming.
Dude.
Good aiming. Dom, thanks for the trash can, dude.
Awesome. He's burned his levels tonight.
How?
I took a fucking flamethrower to him.